Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Culturelle Kids Regularity Probiotic Fiber Dietary Supplement. Helps restore regularity, maintain smooth digestion, works naturally with child's body. 24 single packets. This is great for children that struggle with staying regular in their bowel movements or those whose bodies may not be getting enough fiber in them. It's easier to mix this into their orange juice or water bottles rather than trying to get them to eat a yogurt for breakfast. The kids' brands tend to be full of sugar, to defeating the point of improving their digestive health. It is also much safer than giving your children laxatives or stool softeners if they are having a hard time going potty. The powders come individually packaged, similar to single-serve drink mixes, and can be taken up to 3 times a day. Overall, if you're looking for a good probiotic for your kids or probiotics in a lesser amount to help get your digestive system back in line, this is a good one to consider. Despite a balanced meal and water, she often has hurting poops when she is actively taking this probiotic. She is regular and has an easier time passing her stool. He would strain and grunt with no luck, and on the lucky days that he was successful, his poops were very dry and hard. It's the only thing that made my 3 years go, and she has had chronic constipation since the day she was born. My kids struggle with constipation, and these definitely help. They don't taste great though, so you'll need to hide in juice or something. Our daughter has been on prescription meds that her doctor wanted her off and suggested these to replace, and they have been working great. Easy to mix in her drinks. The directions say you can give up to 3 times daily, but once is enough for her, and it has been absolutely amazing. It has been a long, complicated battle with a huge psychological component. The longer he goes between going, the more scared he gets, and the longer he holds it, and the more difficult it gets. This has helped her get a little more regulated, so she doesn't have constipation quite so bad or as often, even though her eating habits have not changed one bit. Culturelle is a higher quality product than many of the gummy or chew tablet types of probiotics on the market for children. That bacterium has been proven in medical studies to help reduce anaphylactic food allergy from peanuts, so it's an important bacterium probiotic. It is a little thick at first, so you really have to stir in well and for several minutes before it fully blends in with the liquids. These packets are pre-measured and could be mixed with your child's beverage of choice or yogurt or applesauce. If you're looking for a probiotic to slow down things like diarrhea or to normalize the gut bacteria, you may do better with the plain probiotics. If you're looking to normalize gut bacteria and help to get things moving better, then this one is the one you're looking for. You really do have to mix them into something with a fairly strong flavor, as otherwise it tastes of sour milk. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.